Welcome to the third video of class 12 business study, and today we are going to study the objectives of management. As we all know, management is a group of individuals working towards the common purposes. So there are some certain objectives of a management: organizational objective, social objective, and personal objectives. Since there are different stakeholders like employee, shareholders, government, customer, so a business needs to address the interest of all these interest group. So thus the interest of these stakeholders forms the objectives of management. At first we will study the organizational objective. At first, a business organization wants to survive in the competitive market. They want to earn at least whatever they have whatever they have invested in their business. So in the initial year of beginning of an organization, firms does not want to. So any new business organization at first want to stand their feet in the business organization or to cope with the well-established business organization. So at first they do not bother about what they are earning. They want to at least stand their feet in the market. After getting some space in the market, each and every organization wants to earn some profit because mere survival is not fulfill the objectives of an organization. So profit making thus profit is the driving force which stimulates the owner to continue the business. If any firm is not making profit, the owner will forsake that business because there is no enough. The third objective of an organization is growth. Each and every organization, after being the well-established brand in the market, want to diversify or expand his business. After earning profit, the business organization wants to expand his business. He may enter into in the business of different goods. He may enter into the business with foreign customer. He may establish number of branches of the existing product. So there are three different objectives of an organization. First one is survival, second one is profit, and third one is growth. Second objective of a management is social objective. Social objective means obligation of a business organization towards the society. What should a society do for the for the welfare of society? So how can a business can fulfill their social objective? By providing quality product at reasonable price, generating employment opportunity, employment friendly methods of product, providing healthcare healthcare and education facility to the deprived group of the society. Giving charity and donation to the government and a trust who work for the society. Third objective of a business is personal objective. Personal objective means it refers to the person employee who working in that very organization. Each and every employee have some certain objective to join the organization. Although they work towards the common purposes, but the motive of their joining is different. Personal objective can be in the form of fair wages, bonus, promotion, incentives, employee recognition, job security, sound working environment, etc. are some personal goals which a management should address. So thank you for watching.